Hi guys, this is Gaurav here,
Hi, this is Akshita.
and we are back after a long time with a new series. And today we'll be discussing Reliance Industries. The reason to discuss Reliance Industries is that on 15 July there's a 43rd AGM of Reliance, and whenever there's an AGM of Reliance, we have seen some sort of a movement. And with the recent deals happening, we may expect some of the other big ticket announcement in the Reliance AGM. So without wasting any time, let us move to the technical charts, and Akshita will take us through. So I'll just share my screen for you, Akshita. And yes, here it is. Today we are using a split screen sort of stuff where we'll be analyzing four different charts at one time. So from which chart do you want to chart? Do you want to start, Akshita? Daily, weekly, monthly, or hourly?
I'll start with the weekly one.
Okay, so here, this is the weekly one, guys. Yeah, you guys can focus here. This is the weekly chart. Yeah.
So, why I've started with the weekly chart is because I can see a good channel being formed in the weekly chart starting from August 2018, and this channel was broken on the downside when the big crash in the March 2020 occurred. As you can see, the big red candles, that was the breakout from on the downside of that channel. And now what is happening is, uh, yeah, so yeah, so this red
Just
line
freehand drawing for
is,
her to explain. So
yeah,
this.
so as you can see, the the breakout happened in March 2020.
Hmm.
And again, why this channel is important, because the Reliance is again crossing the resistance of this channel, and it is now at 18,780. So this channel is very important because we see that after the breakout, it will again go as high as 2,000 points maybe. So from here, another 100, 200 points, and it may pull back and go down till 1800 or 1700 before going up again.
Hmm.
So this channel is very important. And the same channel we can see in the monthly chart
Just
as well, which is,
Just I'll just help them with the. This is the monthly chart, and
yes.
here is our channel. I'll use this time. I'll use this trick, this tool.
So the same channel is being formed in the monthly chart as well, and there was a breakdown in March 2020, and now Reliance has broken the resistance.
Yes.
So this channel is really very important for the analysis.
Hmm.
And when the breakdown happened in March 2020, then from the support line, it went down like almost 200 to 300 points. Similarly, we can expect the same when now that the breakup that the breakout is happened on the resistance.
Yeah, and if you
And
notice, the hourly chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly chart channel is almost coinciding. If you see
yeah,
this, so yeah, guys. So Reliance Industries is ready to move up. That's what we feel. And even if there's a pullback, we expect it to come down to somewhere around 1780, 1790. I think that
yeah.
with that level we have seen on our daily chart, and I think Akshita will help us with that. This is the daily chart, and yeah, Akshita, go on.
So in the daily chart, there's a small cup and handle being formed. It has formed, and now there's a breakout here as well. So because it's a very small cup and handle, yeah. So this is the cup, and the two red candles and the green candle, that's the handles. So
Yeah.
because it's a very small cup and handle, so the breakout wouldn't be that much.
Hmm.
So we expect it to go till 2000. And I wouldn't recommend to invest in Reliance right now. Like at this level, it's a good company, you can invest, but not at this level. But for trading purposes, for the short term, yes, this is a good point to get into the stock, because it will touch 2000. And
Yeah.
in the hourly chart as well, you can see
The up
the,
cup and handle.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the clear broken handle and the breakout as well.
Yeah. So basically, what we try to do here is like we have analyzed Reliance Industries from four different angles. Usually, what we do is we take a daily chart or we take a weekly chart. Here, what we have done is we have taken a combination of four different time frames and understanding where is this stock heading. All right, and from what we can see here is that Reliance Industries will move up if it's able to hold 1790 levels. Why we are seeing 1790 levels? I'll just help you out with that. So this is where we see, this is where I'll just draw it properly for you guys. This is where the breakout happened. This is the level where we saw Reliance Industries breaking up. Okay, breaking out. So, and this level is somewhere around 1802. And if we see, there's one other support which comes at this level, which is 1793. So 1802 to 1793 is 7-8 point range is will act as an important support for Reliance Industries. So this is one. And to back it up, let us look at the derivative data. And for derivative data, we are using QuantSap, and this is the uh, option chain of Reliance Industries. This is the we're just loading the July month option chain. This is the July month option chain, and if you notice, the highest open interest currently, the highest I repeat, the highest open interest currently stands at 2000 strike, which is around 45 lakh shares. And mind you, Reliance Industry is currently at 1878. So there's some gas left for this stock to move up. That is 120 points. All right, 120 points is roughly 7%, like 6-7% in terms of a movement. And if you look at the put side, the highest open interest is currently at 1800, which is 17 lakh shares. Here, because I think it's at 17. Yeah, it is at 1800. So even the derivative data is showing us that Reliance Industries will have support at 1800 and it will have resistance at 2000. Similarly, our chart, which we had opened here, is telling us the same thing. At this daily chart, we had seen a support near at 1802 to 1793. And if this level is sustained, we are expecting some movement, and that movement will be till 2000 level. Why? Because derivative data is giving us that target. So anyone who wants to trade can invest right now for 120 to 130 points. If you are an investor, what we suggest is wait, let the stock cool down till 1700 or 1595, that level. So you can add some quantity at 1700, some quantity near 1600. If Reliance Industries is able to hold 1595, it will resume its journey towards 2000. But currently, for investors, the risk to reward ratio is not that favorable. So we would suggest that wait for the stock to cool down a bit. And traders, yes, you can enter for anywhere between 100 to 120 point move in Reliance Industries. So, do you want to add anything, Akshita?
Yeah, there's also one thing that why we are not recommending investors to enter now is because if you see the RSI, yeah, so RSI is currently at 71,
Yeah,
which is the overbought range.
yeah,
However, Reliance being we said that it is, so Reliance goes till 78 RSI.
yeah.
So till 78, we only expect the stock to go till 2000 price level. And for people who would argue that no, this share is good and it will go higher, there's no scope for it to go that higher, like to 3000, 4000 level from this point.
Yeah, because
So
it has given a
yeah,
one-side move, and whenever you have a one-side rally in any stock, it's not good. As they say, corrections are healthy in the market, and Reliance Industries surprisingly has not given us any correction. It is because of the news that is driving them, and it has moved up. But it will be disastrous for an investor to enter at this moment. So that is why we recommend you all not to enter for a long-term perspective at this level. Wait for it to cool down, and that is why we have taken four different time frames at the same time to analyze it. And we like investors, our take is investors, please do not enter because there's an event coming up. There's a 15 July event, and once the event goes off, you know that you buy on rumors, sell on news. That's the old rule in stock market, and the news will be out on 15 July. Post that, we can't take any guarantee. So it's better to wait. Traders, have your fun. Take your positions, take your 10% stop loss, and yeah, go ahead. So our stop loss for traders would be some at 1793 below, or to be precise, 1790 for a target of 2000. Safe investors can exit near 1970 to 1980. Rest can, aggressive players can play for more 20 points. Anything you want to add, Akshita?
No, I think we have covered everything.
Okay. So yeah, guys, this was one of our video. Today we have taken a long time and some detailed analysis in this, so it has become a bit long. But I would want you all, like, we'll be posting another videos which will be of short. It will be short and sweet. But today it was important for us to explain all the 4 time frames. Hope you like it, and hope you come back, like, subscribe, and share our channel. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.